Ntandi TV
Online TV.
We are live on Ntandi Online TV this morning, and we want to tell you that we have got issues that affected the area. Mostly the rains that happened, that started yesterday at around 5 p.m., 6 p.m. and they went through the night. And during the course of the night, two major rivers burst their banks, and the flooding went into the community. And as I speak now, as you can see, people have lost crops, food crops. People have lost animals, domestic animals. People have lost so many things. And yes, we've seen this is the rainy season. Like the government, the district of Bundibugyo has constantly cautioned the people from staying in such a places, but people don't listen. But now, what impact does it mean? This means that the government or the district of Bundibugyo is now having a huge load, because we understand a few months ago rains hit Bundibugyo again. We lost around 4 or 5 bridges, and as I speak now, the bridges have never been worked upon. Now, yesterday, more other 2 bridges were washed away, and these bridges connect Bundibugyo town, they connect Ntandi town council, Kikyo, and the other rest of the district in Bugendera County. Speaking to the chairman LC1, he says he has lost most of his things. He has lost documents for his office. He has lost so many things, and he says he calls upon the government to come and help these people. Then the district local government says the chairman LC3 Ntandi Town Council, the chairman LC5, they are saying they are going to add their voice to the rest of the people, the members of parliament, pushing this information to the central government. And they hope the central government will react. Particularly on this road that we are standing on, it is Ntandi Kikyo Bundibugyo Road, and it is under UNRA. We hope UNRA will come out quickly to work on the road so mobility on the road can resume. Then the community of Ntandi Town Council has blamed all this to the people who are cutting timber up in the hills. Because as you see on the road, the roads that have been blocked, the logs are so many, meaning that human activities up in the hills are the ones that are causing trouble to the people in the lowland. The leaders of the town council are saying they have tried to hinder the cutting of timber, the trees in the hills, but you find that people come when they have letters signed by the RDC, letters signed by the DISO, letters signed by the DPC, meaning that it is the biggest challenge. If trees are constantly being cut in the mountain, then people on the lowland are the ones to suffer.
Kalumiba kalu eba wote mabunda manga nganga bweninga bwambuwe wacha bari zako kwa chini ina langere baro eiba weti kalo mwara disi bane uloye musizwa no banai audio create by the others bakara mire asikara mani oba weti sibangai chwa.
Kazuka muliworo around sahi 10 nangu maona kichaka ya mawa eri kokusa hangini shekero, so abantu mubakabi affected shimishisha musura shakumba eri bendo benane ribwe musitu ya machandi ya manyumba abantu menjale tuute bitweka bya bari affected kutsibu tuute nyabwesera haimane mbure merukibiriyeyo to the extent in the trauma ya ekupango yabere horo mwana muoma w'emyezi 3 ali mu nyumba nerya maitsi mwaka na tuhukara male trevendu bya masebya matiri nyumba ya materero kumwana tukabe mu bana kumwanya wasahangini na kitwekaho mu machacha cyumu baitu abandu tukabashima babere waterera bakatokere watikya okwendenga y'abantu haleho misa kinguno leke manero siwanu wembule yokubanza iyo yarunya ne mu nyumba na family yiwe yosi amaitse mwakasa mamuzingi so ngasabende government eya hakati yasiyingeremo omwemenyererende ikawatika yabe yunura omubando eremenyerere ndisonyuse situwete sisi kyanza obupipe obukebuke basi bakolesha boxi bridges eshangatokere byasikara bya mabwe na miwo kunditwa marangiro kwatera ini kutsembera yenyikara yetulibya tulya kuina kitwa amaitsa kasa ne flow ya mani gravity flow ni ya mani si uto hwaka humorera akasinya hekereni ebindu binene habe tubyanga humorera nenya bipairingo mushandendo sikasya birusura nenya rangako nenya boero mubana so bamime bakakora kindu kibakatuletera shandendo so nena ne bana mubarende sibaraga yeshonyushe situwit cyangana tuwatikya amaitsi nyanya na murabo
sisika ikandambi ibiri esechiro obusirwa mbole bamatuboeramu abana bali bano majokoni basirisambika kunga no manyumba nene bakasaba katebeta ehuluku mu nyumba nami amagetse inyama barakanya rutotonga kurosinga obusirwa mbole elwa bilusura amacha wandi nyaba bara mungode eyabuwendera neryo ituwo simu tukabya hakatikati esi amagetse munga kurumura bana kama kwamalora hakatikati elwa siyeri aho namalangere ngendi pikinga habe kokwebere ngabere bere mbweno ngahan sembe mu abana abana lamu kasaba government yituwatikaye kwasamalera amewe yalule ewulo ni yakire muno erikitandiri abantu cyo kwene nikiba kabwambo emete tulekeyo echa munabi chama kwa mikanganende ebyo buhangwa tutolere twaberenda kusekere chama tubyako ngitunikere kusangwa otutuka homolera obisirwa abere twara
ahora omumbura ayare omachero Friday bukata Saturday so aya hore manyumba inyumba mo katara sekere kendo nacho wono no wondre nimkaliyo kupa ngono mo memokolo bakamutangamba munyabase munyabwera erende bakamutamu mutendre nayo ali ahora akalwe kabango kwa senta akapata kendra wewe